Hello and welcome to our 7th chapter. In this chapter, we are discussing common exclusions under money insurance policies. Money insurance policies often include specific exclusions, which are circumstances or events that are not covered by the policy. These exclusions help define the scope of coverage and manage the insurer's risk exposure. While the specific exclusions can vary based on the insurance provider and policy terms, here are some common exclusions that you might find under a money insurance policy. 1. War and terrorism. Losses caused by war, invasion, acts of foreign enemies, hostilities, civil war, rebellion, revolution, insurrection, terrorism, or related events are typically excluded. 2. Nuclear perils. Losses resulting from nuclear reactions, nuclear radiation, or radioactive contamination are generally excluded. 3. Illegal or criminal activities. Losses arising from illegal activities, criminal acts, or intentional acts by the insured or its employees are usually not covered. 4. Dishonesty of insured's employees. Losses caused by the dishonest or fraudulent acts of the insured's employees, without forcible and violent entry, may be excluded. 5. Wear and tear. Damage due to wear and tear, gradual deterioration, or inherent vice is typically excluded. 6. Errors and omissions. Losses resulting from errors, omissions, or mistakes made during cash handling or other activities may be excluded. 7. Inherent vice or nature of goods. Losses caused by the inherent nature of the goods, such as perishable items or fragile objects, might be excluded. 8. Losses outside policy territory. Losses that occur outside the geographical territory specified in the policy may be excluded. 9. Losses from unattended vehicles. Losses from unattended vehicles that are not in compliance with specified security measures may be excluded. 10. Unapproved contractors. Losses resulting from the use of contractors or subcontractors not approved by the insurer may be excluded. 11. Change in risk exposure. Losses resulting from a change in the risk exposure without notifying the insurer may be excluded. 12. Valuables not secured. Losses involving valuable items that were not secured in safes, cash registers, or secure storage facilities may be excluded. 13. Losses during riots or civil commotion. Losses occurring during riots, civil commotion, strikes, or related disturbances may be excluded. 14. Losses from environmental factors. Losses caused by environmental factors like weather, humidity, temperature changes, or atmospheric conditions may be excluded. 15. Unapproved vehicles. Losses involving vehicles not approved by the insurer for cash transportation may be excluded. It's important to carefully review the exclusions listed in your specific money insurance policy to understand the limitations of coverage. If you have concerns about certain exclusions, you can discuss them with your insurance provider and explore options for additional coverage or endorsements to address specific risks that may be excluded under the standard policy terms. End of Chapter 7. In our final chapter, we summarize and conclude the webinar. See you back shortly.